Michelle, Victoria Specialty Hardware really has so many options when it comes to cabinet hardware. I feel like they've changed up the styles and the finishes, and there's a lot to offer now.
There is a tremendous amount of cabinet hardware to offer now. We've really worked hard to make sure that we update all the displays, so most of the current offerings are all on the walls here. You can come and check them out, pull off the boards, check them in the different lightings.
Yeah,
see
and
the
feel
different
the
finish.
weight, the quality.
Oh, exactly.
I think it's a really important spot that whether you're just looking to update existing cabinetry or you're doing a complete kitchen overhaul, don't overlook the hardware because it really adds that jewel to the space.
Oh yeah, it adds a sparkle, it adds your personal touch.
Yes.
Because all the cabinets can look the same, but once you pick your cabinet hardware, there you can see your own individuality.
It just adds that extra element.
Mm-hmm.